It's 2026. If your B2B model isn't ready for 2030, you're already behind. Legacy systems are friction. They're a tax on your growth, and you can't afford them anymore. Speed in 2030 isn't just fast shipping. It's predictive fulfillment. Orders shipped before they're even placed. Scale with elasticity. Go from local to global without adding a single brick or mortar. And compliance? That's your global passport. Automated trust isn't optional anymore. It's the only way to play in 2030. Stop managing decline. Pivot your legacy systems into a future-friendly digital ecosystem starting today. Ready to make your B2B digital? Email us or connect via WhatsApp to begin the transition. Read the full article on speed, scale, and compliance through the link in the description or caption.